Hey there, skincare enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why your skin doesn't have that radiant glow despite using numerous products? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. It all comes down to hydration. Yes, you heard right. Hydration is a fundamental building block to achieving that healthy, glowing skin we all crave. Now, when we say hydration, we're not only referring to drinking your 8 glasses of water a day, though that, of course, is crucial. Hydration also involves how you treat your skin externally. That's where the magic of moisturizers comes into play. Seek out products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and natural oils. These ingredients work wonders for your skin by helping to maintain and replenish its natural moisture barrier. Picture it like this. These ingredients act as a protective layer, locking in the hydration your skin needs to thrive and glow. And here's a pro tip. Apply your moisturizer right after you step out of the shower or after washing your face. Why? Because your skin is still damp and more receptive to absorbing these hydrating ingredients. It's like giving your skin a thirst-quenching drink, and trust us, your skin will thank you for it. But let's not forget, hydration isn't a one-stop solution. It's an essential part of a larger skincare puzzle. And that brings us to the next piece of the puzzle, nutrition. Hydration is fundamental, but it's not the only factor for radiant skin. In our next scene, we'll delve into the role nutrition plays in maintaining that youthful glow. So stick around, because we've got plenty more skin-loving tips coming your way. Let's unlock the secrets to radiant skin together. Now let's dive into the world of nutrition. What you eat can significantly affect your skin's health and appearance. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. The food we consume can either nourish our skin or deprive it of essential nutrients. Imagine your skin as a mirror, reflecting your inner health. When you eat a balanced, nutritious diet, your skin radiates health and vitality. On the other hand, a diet lacking in essential nutrients can leave your skin looking dull and lifeless. So, what should we be eating then? Well, the key to radiant skin lies in a rainbow. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Each color offers unique nutrients that your skin loves. For instance, orange and yellow fruits and veggies are rich in vitamin C, which is known for its skin-brightening properties. Green leafy vegetables, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants that fight skin-damaging free radicals. Here's a simple daily eating plan to help you nourish your skin from the inside out. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with mixed berries for a burst of antioxidants. For a mid-morning snack, reach for an apple or a handful of almonds. When lunchtime rolls around, fill your plate with a colorful salad loaded with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and your choice of protein like grilled chicken or tofu. Don't forget an afternoon snack to keep your energy levels up. Baby carrots and bell pepper strips dipped in hummus make a crunchy, skin-loving treat. As for dinner, a plate of salmon or a veggie stir-fry with quinoa will provide a healthy dose of omega-3s, which are fantastic for your skin's health. Before you call it a night, sip on a soothing cup of green tea or munch on a small bowl of mixed berries for an extra antioxidant boost. But remember, it's not just about what you eat. The quality of the ingredients matters too. Opt for fresh, organic produce whenever possible. And don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. As you can see, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can significantly improve your skin's health and appearance. But don't just take my word for it. Try incorporating these foods into your diet and see the difference for yourself. And that's a wrap on nutrition for radiant skin. But we're not done yet. In the next scene, we'll explore the role of healthy fats in skin health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also the quality of the ingredients. Let's explore some skin-friendly fats next. Healthy fats are often misunderstood, but they are crucial for maintaining your skin's elasticity and suppleness. So let's talk about them, shall we? Healthy fats are a vital part of our diet. They help supply our bodies with the energy it needs. They support cell growth, and they also help keep our skin moisturized and elastic. Yes, you heard right! The fats we consume play a significant role in our skin's health. Let's take avocados for instance. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with monounsaturated fats. These are the good kind of fats that help keep our skin moist and supple. They also contain antioxidants like vitamins E and C, which can help protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. Then we have nuts, like almonds and walnuts. These crunchy little powerhouses are bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, another form of healthy fats. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. And let's not forget about olive oil. This Mediterranean staple is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. It's been used for centuries to moisturize skin and give it a healthy glow. Plus, it can help fight off harmful bacteria and soothe inflamed skin. Now you might be thinking, but aren't fats bad for me? Not all fats are created equal. It's the trans fats and saturated fats you want to avoid. These can clog your arteries and lead to health issues. But the healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are a different story. They're beneficial for our bodies and our skin. Remember, everything in moderation. Including these foods in your diet, along with a balanced intake of other nutrients, can contribute to healthier, glowing skin. So, as you can see, achieving radiant skin is not just about the products you apply, but also the lifestyle you lead. It's about taking care of your body from the inside out, and healthy fats are a big part of that equation. So go ahead, enjoy that avocado toast or handful of almonds. Your skin will thank you. So we've covered hydration and nutrition. These are your secret weapons to unlock that radiant, glowing skin. Let's recap. Hydration is the key to keeping your skin from dryness and giving it a plump, youthful look. Remember to drink plenty of water each day and don't skimp on moisturizers with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and natural oils. Now, on to nutrition. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables is like feeding your skin a cocktail of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. They nourish your skin from the inside out, giving it a natural, healthy glow. And remember that simple daily eating plan? Oatmeal with berries for breakfast, an apple or almonds for a mid-morning snack, a colorful salad for lunch, baby carrots and bell pepper strips dipped in hummus for an afternoon snack, and a plate of salmon or veggie stir-fry for dinner. That's a day's worth of skin-loving nutrition right there. And let's not forget about those healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are fantastic for your skin's elasticity and suppleness. So don't shy away from them. Incorporating these hydration and nutrition tips into your daily routine might seem like a lot at first, but trust me, your skin will thank you. And remember, it's not about overnight transformations, but consistent, healthy habits that make all the difference. So my friends, it's time to put these tips into action. Let's make hydration and nutrition our top priorities and watch our skin transform from the inside out. Let's unlock that radiant, glowing skin we all dream of. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare tips, and share this video with your friends. Because why keep these skin-loving secrets all to ourselves, right? Let's all glow together. Until next time, take care of your beautiful skin. Bye.